If you only like to cook your food in the morning, so this is probably how you eat your lunch. So I am left with some frozen rice and a chapati, and nobody likes to eat rock solid food. So I am going to microwave it. Just a small problem that whenever I want to heat my food, I can never find the right container to microwave it. We all know that any metal used in a microwave can cause an explosion, so none of these steel and aluminium containers are useful to me. Plastic containers are not microwave safe, and I can never figure out which glass is Borosil. So a quick tip, I use these food wrapping sheets by Pyramid. I'll quickly put some food in it and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds to heat it. Hot, soft and ready for my tummy. I'm sure you found that very useful. So get your Pyramid food wrapping sheets now.